Words of warning for former special counsel Robert Mueller ahead of his highly anticipated testimony before Congress later this week.
Now, D.C. Bureau Chief Ross Palumbo following this one for us. The latest developments live outside the White House on this Monday. Ross?
Well, Calvin and Nicole, that warning tonight coming from the Department of Justice. Even though special counsel Robert Mueller no longer works for the DOJ, tonight it's still trying to tell him what he can and cannot say.
The Justice Department now warning special counsel Robert Mueller, sending a formal letter saying there should be no testimony concerning redacted portions of the public version of his report, and not to discuss the conduct of uncharged third parties, ordering him to stay within the boundaries because of executive privilege.
I do not believe it is appropriate for me to speak further.
Mueller has himself said he would not stray from the report, but the Trump administration now seeking to be certain.
No, I'm not going to be watching. Probably. Maybe I'll see a little bit of it.
It comes just after the president again declared Mueller shouldn't speak.
Because you can't take all those bites out of the apple.
Trump still falsely claiming Mueller completely exonerated him, while simultaneously attacking the special counsel, calling him highly conflicted Robert Mueller.
His best friend is Comey, but he's got conflicts with me, too. He's got big conflicts with me. As you know, he wanted the job of the FBI director. He didn't get it.
But former FBI Director James Comey denies the two are friends, and Mueller never sought the job under Trump.
The president has zero concerns.
Despite the spin, Trump clearly wound up over Mueller, Democrats believing it could unravel his presidency.
The report presents very substantial evidence that the president is guilty of high crimes and misdemeanors.
Meanwhile, the president ramping up his attacks on 4 congresswomen of color, now flipping the script and saying the squad is a very racist group of troublemakers who are young, inexperienced, and not very smart. Trump tweeting that out while on his way to pay his respects to Supreme Court Justice John Paul Stevens, one of his targets, speaking out.
I'm not going nowhere. Not until I impeach this president.
Well, back to special counsel Robert Mueller right now. He's going to be testifying bright and early Wednesday morning. His first stop will be in front of the Judiciary Committee at 8:30 in the morning. And Calvin and Nicole, we have 2 South Florida lawmakers that are on that committee and will be questioning him. They are Representatives Ted Deutsch and Debbie Mucarsel-Powell. And of course, we'll be speaking with them. For now, though, that's the very latest live at the White House. Back to you.
ABC News and Local 10 covering it from gavel to gavel. Thanks a lot there, Ross. We'll see you tomorrow.